We're watching a video that really you don't need to watch. No one did. No one looked up the subject you found this video with. In September of 2021, someone put in or looked up something that ended up being oddly and uniquely search engine optimized. Would you like to join the Legion? Now, just typing that in, especially if you use quotes, will give you an abnormally large spike in September of 2021. This happened September 13th, September 18th, and also October 13th, exactly a month later. That's very important, by the way. Now, the TekkitRealm, with 1.3 million subscribers, who does a lot of rickrolling and other trolling activity for fun, which is entertaining, on September 9th, 2021, put up a video as part of his YouTube Unsolved series, talking about if you see the symbol, run away. And he created a mythology behind it. Now, I'm saying he created it, and I'm saying he may own the copyright to that symbol that you see over there, and also the story, so I'm treating this as a critique of his work. Unless you know for a fact, in spite of what I'm showing you here on the screen, that this actually existed before his video. I'm claiming that his assertion partway through it that it's an ARG was also not really valid. In the video, he never provided proof of the claims or assertions or links to where he said he got all this information from, which is a giant no-no if someone's attempting to show you something useful. He claimed a YouTube channel had titles for the videos it uploaded. The titles themselves were individual words, and they formed a quote from a book, The Brave New World. Now, this has caused 121 people to join a subreddit created specifically called JoinTheLegion, and no link was given to a page, a login page you're going to see below there that says, if you did not seek us, leave now. If you did, leave now. You are not ready to cross, and then a login button. It looks almost exactly like a cookie-cutter website with only a little bit of modification to have a warning label where you would have a login page for the admin setting up the page. It's not very difficult to do this. In fact, I've done something like this. Go away, you're not ready, the website isn't ready. However, if you're the guy editing it and you're a knucklehead, that would be you, and I'd put up my channel name, waptek, then hit the login button. That's how I did all my pages as a boilerplate. Now, I want to point out that Google Trends is not infallible, but if you see literally from 2004 to 2021, nobody typing in exactly these words, would you like to join the Legion, probably isn't really a big thing. Now, the two hits I did get, June 12th, 2018, what if programming languages were anime girls? Yes, of course, it's a Reddit page. It's rumored scouts from Legion of Darkness would come and ask, would you like to join the Legion of Darkness? That's one quote. At least it has a legion of something. And the other one was, and this is kind of funny, a religious page. Yeah, literally just would you like to join the Legion of Mary in New York? And that was February 9th, 2019. Those are the only two. If you look at the search page results here, which you can limit by time and date stamp, I limited it to 2020 before 2021. You find that one from Legion of Mary. And these things say 2019 or other years. These are old Reddit listings that someone typed it in, would you like to join the Legion, and then just left it there just so they could create the search engine stuff. And then we get down here, well, that's it, except it's rumored that if you can answer those fantastic questions, scouts from the Legion of Darkness will come and ask, would you like to join the Legion of Darkness? That's the only two quotes. That one and joining Mary's Legion. Now we can go to the next page. This one is even more limited. It's from September 1st back to January 1st, 2020. I thought I'd just do that, and you get, it's Reddit stuff. And also this one here, this is That Useless Noob, linking to that, and that's the only reason it comes up. And here it is, would you like to join the Legion of Darkness? And it's some anime thing, and we don't discuss these things. Anyway, and this is the, would you like to join the Legion of Mary? So pick it, Legion of Mary or Legion of Darkness. And the symbol that was in that image, if you didn't notice it, looks a lot like a hobo symbol or a much more simplified version of said symbol. And on that note, the symbol, which is two lines through a circle, looks very generic. But it also looks like a symbol I saw at one time on a video editing program to slide two pieces of text over an object, usually a sphere or a world, and the top line would be Channel 5 News, and then the one below it would be some, promise of doing really good news coverage, and it symbolized you sliding two text lines over a video, usually at a 45-degree angle, or wrapping it around it, so that it would do a dynamic text thing. Really not that useful, but maybe that's where it came from. I don't know. I'm assuming that the TekkitRealm owns the copyright to it. Hey, he's got 1.3 million subs. Maybe he does. So, the YouTube Unsolved videos may be useful, but it's always like, never search this, or this will hypnotize someone to commit murder, or people calling them nasty names. So, I don't know how useful it is. I'll give my opinion later if anybody cares. Personally, I think it's just him trying to get attention. He does this a lot. It's fun. It's fun in games. But if you were looking this up, number one, you shouldn't. No one has ever until this year, and only after he put up his video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Good luck with that.